वही अर्थक्वेक आया था।
हाँ बहुत बुरा वाला।
Didn't feel it.
सेम।
हाँ I woke up man, I was sleeping you know and I woke up because of the earthquake. I think I can't feel it when I am awake but I woke up in the sleep.
ओके
I woke up from ओ भाई मेरी तो इतनी बुरी गांड फटी में उठा था ना मैं तो बहन चो क्या हो रहा है अपोकैलिप्स आ गया। Just remember we failed last time, okay?
How many do we have to do?
Oh, you can fly in that steam. What the fuck? Oh, you can fly. Nice. देखिए steam में उड़ सकते हैं. आजा आजा आजा. पर गिरते तो हिल जाती है.
Oh shit, oh shit.
This is a simple mining mission.
अरे वो हेल्थ वाला कहाँ गया?
More
तूने तोड़ दिया था वो.
We'll send a drop pod to get you out. Good luck.
Do we have to do this?
Just like just get everything here first before we go.
No, I'm saying like what do we have to get?
Why keep flying, man? Why the fuck I keep
Look at
flying?
this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Wait, let's call this guy. I mean mule on this steamy thing, okay? Let's call
Sure,
mule on
sure,
steam. Let's see if it flies. I'm calling it.
अब ये भी देखना मेरे को कि कलेक्ट क्या करना है अपने को।
अपने को 250 और 225 मोरोकाइट और 25 होलोमाइट।
ओके
पर्पल वाला होलोमाइट।
ओके 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 ओके।
We get hurt and I didn't know it.
Of course.
Okay, I found the exit. Yeah, I found the exit. Just walk.
Yeah, I was already here. Wait, what is this? Did you see what happened?
नहीं कहाँ पे है का तू?
Did you see? Did you guys see what happened?
नहीं
No?
नहीं है का?
Mule walked over me and I'm down.
Funny as fuck.
See,
भाई मैंने म्यूल को
it literally walked over me.
then it makes sense like I was putting mule on steam. It can not fly but can definitely has a lot of weight. कहाँ जा रहे हो तुम लोग? ये रास्ता पता है किसी को? मैं देख लूँ या फिर
नहीं रास्ता तो पता है, रास्ता
सिंपल
पता है,
हाँ,
रास्ता
रास्ता
पता
बड़ा
है।
सिंपल है।
मैं तो बस यहाँ पे वो कर रहा हूँ, जैसे यहाँ पे गोल्ड है।
कहाँ है गोल्ड? पिंग करियो। अकेले गोल्ड कौन ले गया?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मिलेगा सबको ही।
हाँ वो तो अच्छा तुम लोग इतना ऊपर हो? व्हाट द फक? वहाँ आऊँ कैसे? पहले मुझे यही बता दो कोई।
मैं तो उससे आया हूँ, ग्रैपलिंग हुक से। एरन का नहीं पता, एरन को पता होगा, बाकी पैदल कैसे आना है नॉर्मली। स्टीम
टीम अच्छा।
गोल्ड फुल, आई एम फुल।
मैं यार
lot of-
क्यों कर रहा हूँ यार? मैं वही लगा लूँ। Steam can't
ये बाकी मुझे यहाँ पे बाकी दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है, तो हम लोग को यहाँ से निकलना ही पड़ेगा।
तुम लोग की हेल्थ इतनी ज्यादा क्यों है?
अब मैं तो, मेरे ऊपर तो म्यूल निकल गया था ना भाई चल के।
नहीं
क्या करूं?
म्यूल की फिर क्यों ज्यादा है इतनी? ये गिर पड़ गया होगा, स्टीम कर रहा ना, ये पक्का गिरा होगा।
हाँ हाँ
What's that?
What spot?
Is there anything there?
नो।
No.
भाई मैं तो रास्ते ढूंढने जा रहा हूँ। मैं रास्ते ढूंढेगा।
I think we have to go where I marked that then.
रास्ता तो इट्स लाइक सबको पता है।
कहाँ पे है?
बता रहा हूँ। ये रहा।
अच्छा।
The tunnel is blocked.
यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं मिला ना हमें जो चाहिए था उनमें से।
आशीष सुनना, जहाँ मैंने वो मारी है ना
Here, Magnus,
Grappling
Magnus, see, Magnus, here.
हाँ
What the hell?
मकड़ियाँ आ गई। ओ यार मेरे को पता है क्या डेजा वो हो रहा है, पता है कैसे?
कैसे?
वो याद है एरन? ओए एरन,
Slowness.
Yes,
Aaron.
tell me.
do you remember that series, Love, Sex and Robots?
Oh yes, yes.
There was an episode where critters like this would come on farmer lands, right? And they would
Yeah.
fight with
Oh
Gatling
yes,
gun.
yes, yes,
I
yes,
think
yes.
I'm doing
In
the same
Max,
thing, like
in
Gatling
Max.
gun, yeah. When I have like Gatling gun, look like. Oh यहाँ
Oh,
पे थोड़ा
shit.
गड्ढा खोद दे यार भाई. Hello, a-hole, just dig a pit here.
Use this team. Use this team.
Wait, just think, dig it here, please, man.
I can't aim from here. Hold on.
I'm no, just dig, yeah. I'm asking.
Oh, dig.
I don't depend on Steam, man. Oh, thank you. That's it.
Shit, this monster have 2 balls. You have to blow up both.
I think it's Aaron.
Shit.
he's still on balls blowing up. Oh!
Shit.
Yeah, I'm honestly very confused.
What is this? Oh, fuck! Oh, they explode! Fuck, why would I mine this? Don't shoot them! What? They're like mines, don't shoot them.
Oh shit.
They're bigger one there. Let me shoot them in advance, yeah. Just like
Swarm
mines.
detected. Lock up and get ready.
Wait, don't destroy them. We'll use them against the insects. Like, don't blow them all. Oh, nice.
It's already
I
gone.
mean, you did that.
I know, that's why I was saying. So it won't sound the ha. Like, stick together, Aaron. Don't look at.
Contact. Lock and load.
And where are you guys going? Left or right?
I'm near you.
The way is here.
Oh,
My
shit.
Okay, this is the thing that makes poison. See?
Okay.
Yes.
अच्छा तो ये मकड़ियों का काम है अंडे हमके There's some health here.
I'm down.
Watch it!
So what's the health? Should I take it?
Dude, I'm down.
Oh sorry, I didn't see that. I'm just down.
Wave is significantly diminished. Well done, team.
I'm getting prioritize. Dude, what is that? Double kill?
There's hell there. Like I'll take some of it. You can take the rest.
Where?
I pinged it.
Oh, I see something. What is it? Ooh, I got the follow mic.
Take the health. I'll take that. Take the health first.
Where is it?
I pinged it twice
I
for
got-
you.
Let's order a
Where's health?
like that.
Why so confused?
There's
Joker's new
another
line.
one. I'll ping that for you. But leave some for Guru and me. You have full health.
Okay,
Here.
okay.
Red sugar.
तू ले ले
Platform,
मेरी
wait,
ज़्यादा है.
platform था.
Hey,
Hey,
red
platform
sugar.
guy. Platform guy. Oi, hello.
There is red sugar
Alright,
over
that's here.
here.
Take it.
But
यहाँ से
take a
ले ले.
platform.
यहाँ से ले ले.
What's in
नहीं
there?
यार तू ले ले मैं ऐसे ले लूँ.
मैंने ले लिया वहाँ से, इसलिए बोला था.
अरे बड़ा आदमी चौदह आदमी प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं बना रहा.
भाई कूद के मार दे ना, कूद के मार दे.
यार एक तो मैंने सोचा बंदे का यूज करूँ मैं कहीं ना कहीं.
Ready to use.
बंदा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं बनाता. बना दी. अजीब सी. फिर से अजीब से ये फर्जी
How can you not jump that, man?
You are just a bad engineer. See, you can't even jump your own platforms. Yeah, now you can. You have to
What?
make another one, na? Look at this. What is this?
How did that happen? How did that blow up?
I don't know, man. Ask yourself.
Okay. No, you can't shoot. It needs to have same level.
So
Where is that?
my bullets are almost finished.
मैं going the wrong way. Don't worry, I'm with you. No, मैं आ जाऊँगा. I have 1200 bullets. कौन मार रहा है मेरे को? अच्छा ये mines लगी हुई हैं इधर फिर से. Oi, look at that.
Oh shit, इसने फैला दिया यहीं पे.
इधर एक गड्ढा है, गिरना मत.
Lights up!
No.
There's a hole here, don't follow. There's malachite here. Malachite.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
क्या हो गया?
जहाँ पे तूने मना किया वहीं गिरा बस.
सोने का लालच बाबू भैया.
Yeah. Never felt better. Watch and learn.
I'm full. Somebody come take.
Just call the mule now. I'll come there later. I need to call the mule. Who called the mule? I want the mule. Don't call him now. Oh, another more poison. There's a what is this? What is this insect?
What the hell?
It died quickly though.
Okay, just like a new.
Platform.
Lights up!
What happened?
This is the planet. This guy just jumped.
These tunnels maximum time they don't have anything, na? Very less.
Bug loot. Health, take health. If anyone.
नहीं है.
Oh yeah.
Upgrades.
There's a way up also, na? There's a way up. Oh, ये क्या है इतना प्यारा?
क्या?
अच्छा, hollow mine.
Okay.
Saw it for the first time. There's more hollow mine. Oh, what is that?
Yeah,
Wait.
that's. Wait,
Look
what
at this
is
area.
that? What is
Yeah,
that?
Yeah.
नीचे देख.
Flares up!
Oh,
What are
shit.
these?
I don't know.
Where are you?
Platform. Need a platform.
I think they'll like give up poison gas or something.
Oh, poison
Ne-
gas. Whoop.
need a platform here.
Everyone, can
I
Where,
need that
where?
board.
Here. Near me.
Hold on. Hold on.
You
hold on.
can't look from there.
We can call up a supply drop now.
Completed.
Yes.
You want supply drop?
Yes.
हाँ?
Yes.
चलो, मैं मंगा लेता हूँ.
Nitro has been withdrawn and supply pod is inbound.
access provided.
Supply pod is here. Everybody collect ammunition.
I'm not scared of you! No ammo left!
We order supply.
Fill up your ammo.
One is left. Aaron.
I'll take it.
Yes, that's right.
I'm really gonna blast these mushrooms.
Shield charged.
We got a hell of a blip heading your way, team. Get ready.
Okay.
Stay together, team. Come near me. Everyone, like, just stay near me, okay?
Swarm! It's a big one, team.
Oh shit, no.
In the open, don't stay in the grass. I can't find them in the grass.
Dude, we're on top. Whatever. Okay, I think we should over here, Gunner man.
Watch your fire, moron!
I never get tired.
Nice.
I'm going down. Oh shit. Alright, I'm down.
Khatam. So now where do we have to go?
Oh, more kite.
Hang in there. The wave is almost dealt with. Dispatch whatever's left.
Like that.
We'll have to find the way.
Did we already come from here? Oh shit, spiders help. Never mind. Oh shit. Come on. Oh, big guy, big guy.
Where do we have to go?
Why is it
Atma.
so far away? Why is Aaron so fucking far away? No one
Dude,
can
it's
save him.
from the same place you were from that time.
अरे वही है वो जो गड्ढा था ना उसमें वो.
वो उधर दोबारा गिर गया क्या?
Oh.
Got no ammo left.
So did you find any?
Yeah, I'm just searching for it. Yeah, I found the way.
Chalo, then I'm coming. Nice. Oh shit, oh shit.
Can't move. Sorry, little bug. Your own fault for being full of goodies.
Oi! But this is already full.
It's okay. More XP.
Hmm. Oi! I found it! Yeah, मिल गया.
बढ़िया.
हो गया. Oh shit, a whole new area.
Done, done, done.
Name. Did you gather that much?
हाँ हो गया.
Okay.
I'll just call this guy, Mule.
Where is that damn tin?
There's resupply also.
No, I'm not completing the level. I'm just filling up.
Yeah, I'm saying we need to resupply also, no?
Oh shit, oh shit.
We will later. Let me just fill up at least. Done. Let's do
Maybe
it.
don't call him yet. Okay, don't call him.
No,
Don't call
I
him.
won't.
He said like twice.
I was the only one who gave you that idea to resupply before calling.
Oh, I meant resupply as in for bullets, no?
A lot of
Oh god, what else do you resupply? Fucker.
What are you talking about?
Leave it. I'm calling the drop here.
Repeat swarm.
Okay.
Right up,
Spiders.
Supplies are coming.
I'm not the enemy.
Head is what, huh?
Feel much better now.
Red sugar!
Don't shoot me! One second, gun ready to kill. Why kill one?
Shit. See, if we waste all of our bullets here, what will we do when we are going back?
Call it. Let's call this back. Like the.
I'm calling it. I'm calling it.
Wave team, go, go.
Oh, wave is complete.
Oh shit! No, 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 no. There's one. There's one on me. Big one.
किधर है बड़ा वाला किधर है?
मेरे पास.
तू किधर है? ओए यार मैं पता नहीं कहाँ तो गिरा हूँ गड्ढों में एरर ना.
Lost. Fill the sentry gun.
Yeah, give me some sugar.
Keep hitting me. Uda. Oh, this gas. The wave is done. Call now. Call the.
भाई नहीं मरे भाई मेरे पास है मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ मेरे पास तो आओ एक बार
आता हूँ.
चलो तुम म्यूल को ही बुला लो कोई दिक्कत नहीं
You're a good mule, Molly.
We're sending in the drop pod. Head for LZ.
Let's go. Let's go. I'll hold for Mule to make way for me. Then I'll follow him. भाई कितना सारा मैलेकाइट है ना उधर पॉकेट.
Drop pod has arrived. Retrieving the mule.
Follow the mule.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes.
Better hurry. What I found? Alien. Go.
चलो 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 ज्यादा दूर नहीं है बस 105 meters
You guys don't get AIDS.
Players, not ready yet.
Which one is blue? Which one is green? Right? Who's throwing green? Who's throwing blue?
What?
Your light. What color is your light?
Blue blue blue
नहीं तेरी रेड है भाई.
मेरी blue है
रेड है. एरन हाँ एरन की रेड.
Drop pod departing
It's
in
different pod.
T-minus 4 minutes.
इस I'm here.
Ow.
Why is it not opening? Oh shit! Because he is not here. He is not here.
वो हमारे साथ आ रहा है ना.
We are having an adventure. Na Magnus.
And it went boom.
Can you throw your light also, Magnus?
Minus 2 minutes.
Go ammo left. Last grenade.
In front, not back.
Seriously, the mule finally.
The mule is secured. Initiating launch sequence. Deep Rock Galactic thanks you for your good work. Drop pod will leave with or without you.
Yeah, finally.
Ozzy died.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 1 minute.
already inside, right?
Retrieving escape pod.
No, because you were on the door, na? Next to the door.
Acha.
So it was not closing. Finally.